Every organization has level title structure. In this video, we would try to understand how different folks in the organization are looking at their level title structure.
When a CEO or a business head looks at many titles in the organization, it appears as a sign of complexity. It feels that the work is getting done through multiple handoffs while it should be done by a few people. So it gives an impression that there are too many people, that the work has multiple handoffs, and then the organization is hierarchical and bureaucratic. When the HR manager or the HR head looks at the organization and he sees too many titles, he knows that his job is complicated. At one hand, too many titles means that he has to define different HR policies and different HR programs for different people differently. So different people who have different titles have to be treated in some sort of differentiated way. On the other hand, he will often have employees coming up to him saying that they are not getting progression and they want a title change. So he sees title also as a sign of complexity at one hand, and at the other hand he sees title as something which gives employees a bit of a feeling of progression. When employees looks at levels in the organization, he has a mixed feeling. He would like to progress to the next level because if a title change is happening, he will feel that he is moving in the career. But if he sees there are a lot of titles, he is a junior level employee and he sees there are a lot of titles that he has to progress through to reach to the higher level of organization, he feel a bit disheartened. So he want to move to the next level. At the same time, if there are too many level titles, then he is a bit disheartened and the organization appears hierarchical to him. Okay, so what we have learned so far is that different folks in the organization look at the level structure differently. For a CEO, the issues are multiple handoffs, too many people, and whether the organization appears hierarchical and bureaucratic. For the HR head, the issues are we making things very complex? Or the second issue is whether the employees are getting a feeling of progression or not. For an employee, the issue is mainly around need to progress to the next level, and if organization has too many levels, then the organization appears hierarchical.